Hi beauties! Welcome back to my channel. I am back with another skincare product. Some by BHA PHA 30 days. Miracle Cream claims to be a game changer for blemish-prone skin, harnessing the power of BHA PHA, Centella asiatica, and tea tree leaf extract. Promising results in just 30 days, this anti-acne miracle cream boasts properties that address acne concerns while protecting the skin barrier. The inclusion of HA, designed to dissolve the glue-binding dulling dead cells to the skin's surface, and BHA to control sebum production, creates a comprehensive approach to tackling skin issues. The addition of PHA helps retain skin moisture, contributing to a more radiant complexion. Packed with natural tea tree extract, known for its quick improvement of skin problems without irritation, and Centella asiatica for skin soothing and barrier strengthening, the cream aims to provide a holistic solution for troubled skin. The lightweight formula not only soothes and moisturizes, but also minimizes pores, leaving the skin looking fresher and more radiant. With a low pH suitable for all skin types, even sensitive, the product is positioned as an everyday miracle cream. However, the fragrance in the cream is a point of contention. Despite having impressive ingredients, the potent fragrance could be a deterrent, especially for those with sensitivity. Using the product as a sole moisturizer every day might not be advisable due to the triple acids and the added fragrance. Personal usage has led to a few observations. While the cream imparts a beautiful glow to the skin and has a minty smell, caution is advised regarding potential sensitivity. Using it 2 to 3 times a week, treating it like a normal exfoliator, seems to be a more suitable approach. The concentration of centella is commendable, catering to those who appreciate this ingredient, but the inclusion of fragrance raises concerns. The review suggests a cautious approach, especially for those with fragrance sensitivity, and emphasizes using the product as a treatment rather than an everyday moisturizer. In conclusion, some by me, BHA PHA 30 days. Miracle Cream has its merits, particularly for those who can tolerate its active ingredients and fragrance. However, individual reactions may vary, and it's advisable to approach this cream with a tailored skincare routine, keeping an eye on potential sensitivity and adjusting usage accordingly.